Hi friends, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more latest informative updates.
Hey guys, today I want to introduce you the front and parking sensors available in Mahindra Genuine accessory. So it is compatible with any vehicle. Let me show you the sensors. So these are the rear sensors fitted to Mahindra XUV500, and these sensors can be installed to any vehicle, and these are compatible to all the vehicles. I will just give you a small picture about these sensors. How are they installed? These sensors are first drilled into the rear bumper, and these wires are directly connected to the reverse system. So the reverse system wires, so from here they are directly taken into these systems and to the next door. So the wire is installed by this, and these wires are then connected to the mirror, and you can just watch this wire here, the installed wire. In the same way, these sensors can be installed to the front bumper, and then the wires are directly connected to the mirror of the car. So this mirror is just installed on the other genuine mirror. You can see that we can easily remove this. So here is the original genuine Mahindra sensor, which can be attached to this mirror. So the mirror contains a display here where you can see the distance between the rear or the front object to the bumpers. You can just install this Mahindra Genuine accessory and just adjust for your viewers. I'm gonna show you how these sensors work through this mirror display. So let's begin. The approximate distance between these sensors on the bumper to this wall may be around 2.5 meters, and I'm just going to park this car to 0.6. So let's see. I'm gonna start the car. So put on the reverse gear. So here you can watch the display that the approximate distance between the rear bumper and the wall is around 1.6 meters. I'm just taking my car to the reverse.
1.5.
It's in meters.
0.8. 0.8. 0.6. 0.8. 0.6. 0.6.
So
0.6.
I stop at 0.6.
0.4.
So is the safe point for 0.4. If you are really going more further backwards, it's just going to say you stop. So this is the distance which was saying that it was around 0.6 meters to this wall. So the safest distance is 0.6. So if this bumper still more crosses to here, so at the point it's just a point of 0 meters. It's just going to say you stop. There are few things to be noted. If the wall is mirrored, then these sensor signals would reflect and you would not get the accurate reading of the distance. And the other thing is that if this is the object higher than these sensors, then the higher object cannot be detected by these sensors. So the object must be in the height of these sensors. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.